Alright, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to create mods for dmod. This is just for custom maps, the Play Store version. The code mods and everything else like that will come in tutorials later, because I'm still fixing up the SDK, but I'll just release this now while I'm fixing it up. So what you're going to want to do is download Unity Hub, first of all. So just search Unity Hub, hit the first link, and you'll get this. Hit download, and it'll look like this. So yours will be blank because you have no projects, but basically this is just a hub to keep all your projects and a whole bunch of different Unity versions. So just get this, then go to Unity Download Archive. Just by searching Unity Download Archive, click the first link. Click on Unity 2019, and what you're looking for is Unity 2019.2.9 right here. And just hit Unity Hub button there, and it'll install into here. So I already have it, so once it's done, just go here and hit 2019.2.9 3D and just name modding tutorial. You can name it whatever you want. Let's create it. Alright, once you're in your project, the first thing you're going to want to do is delete scenes. Go into here and go to dmod.cf. It's a modding website for dmod. Just go to modding SDK and hit the custom maps only download. Hit download, save, there you go. Just open that up and extract it into any folder you want. I'll just extract it into here. And just grab this and pull it into Unity here and import everything. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, go to scenes, hit this, and hit don't save. There you go. And I'll pull you into the demo scene for this. So you'll see everything's pink. So what we're going to do is go to Window, Package Manager, and search lightweight. Give it a second to load. There it is, install. Alright, once that's done installing, what you're going to want to do is just close this. Go into project settings. It's not here. Just go to edit, project settings. It'll show up here. So just hit graphics and drag this in right there. There you go. So now just move this under this. This represents the player. Do not move the position because it's not actually the player. It's just representing where it would spawn in game. So you can size your map better, and you can also position it better so the player will spawn in it. So I'm just going to make it a little bigger, and I'm just going to leave this as the test map. Obviously you can import whatever map you want. If you can get like a Half-Life 2 map in a FBX or OBJ format, you can add this in here. You can make your own map, you can do whatever you want. So give it some space below the player, because it'll need some falling room so it doesn't fall through the floor. And just go into Tools, Mod Tool, and export mod when you're done. Bring that up here, and just name it whatever you want. I'll name mine GM dmod test. Author, I'll just write my Discord name. Description, I'll just write dmod test map. So platform is Android, scenes, there you go. So just set where you're gonna want your thing to export here. I'm gonna export into here in a mods folder. Select this folder and hit export mod. This will take however long, depending on how big your map is, how much textures it has, stuff like that, the size of the textures. For me, there's like nothing here, so it'll be pretty quick. Alright, once that's done, what you're going to just do is plug in your phone to your computer. Or, of course, you can upload to a file hosting website so you can download it onto your phone. But either way, get it onto your phone however you want. So just find your mod, go into your phone, and go to Android, Data, com.gruesomegames.gdmod, Files, Mods. and you're just going to want to drag it into here. So gm dmod test. Alright, that's it. Now it should show up in game. Just go to the add-ons menu. Your map should show up here. There, gm dmod test. Check that, hit load, loaded, there you go. Spawn player, and there's your map. Make sure to uncheck this before you export your map. Clearly I forgot that here, and you'll see it shows up in the scene. Just hit the little checkbox on the inspector window for it to just disappear, or you can delete it entirely. Since it's a prefab, you can just drag it back in and set the position to 000, so it won't show up in your map. But there you go, there's our custom map showing in dmod, and that's all. Alright, good luck.